So today we are making this turtle clock. I've already named my file chapter 3 YouTube video. So first we're going to start out by importing the turtle. Import turtle. Then we're going to name the turtle and give it the variable t, turtle dot turtle. And make sure there's a parentheses after. Then we're going to go into the attributes and make sure to give it the shape turtle. And Python knows that shape, so we're going to give it a color, which here they have it blue, so we're going to do blue. And then we're going to make sure to stamp it and give it a parenthesis. Stamping it basically make sure it stays and move it 30. And then we're going to go into the for loop, and for I in range, and since we're going to be making a clock, we have 12 of them. Make sure there's a colon after. And then we're going to pick up our pen by making sure we give the pen up function or attribute, and then t forward 50. Make sure it's going 50 forward. And then we're going to make sure the pen goes down, just so this makes it that it stays, the pen stays, and then it doesn't draw it on top of it, basically. And make sure T forward 25, and then T stamp, make sure it stays, and then T home, making sure it goes back to the center. And then we're going to make sure it's T right, and then move. Make sure that all of it moves. We want to bring back the move variable here. And add it to 30. Which we have here. That is already, so then everything looks good. Actually, we're gonna make sure there's T pen up again. Let me see. And then make sure that T actually goes 15 forward, which was what I actually did. This should work, yep. Okay. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Now we have our clock. After it's done, it will come back to the home. Just that. Thank you.